Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today we have an intriguing topic that might challenge some of our preconceived notions. We are diving into the world of personal finance to explore why rich people, despite their wealth, seem to love debt. So grab a cup of coffee and join me as we unravel the mysteries behind this financial strategy. Before we jump in, let's get on the same page about what debt really is. Debt is simply borrowed money that individuals or businesses use to finance various expenses. While it's commonly associated with financial struggles, it's important to understand that debt can be both a tool and a burden, depending on how it's used. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Why would rich people who seemingly have ample resources choose to embrace debt? Well, here are three reasons that shed light on their perspective. Reason number one, leveraging OPM. OPM is other people's money. Firstly, rich individuals understand the power of leveraging other people's money. By using debt strategically, they can acquire assets or invest in businesses without tying up all of their own capital. This approach allows them to multiply their returns, accelerate their growth, and create wealth more quickly than if they solely relied on their own resources. Debt has played a crucial role in my journey to success. I was able to secure business loans to invest in new ventures, expand my operations, and take calculated risks. By using other people's money wisely, I could amplify my potential gains and build my empire faster than I could have imagined. Reason number two, tax efficiency. The second reason why rich people embrace debt is the potential tax benefits it can offer. In many countries, the interest paid on certain types of debt, such as mortgages or business loans, can be tax deductible. By strategically managing their debt, wealthy individuals can reduce their taxable income and maximize their financial advantages. Debt, when used for investment purposes, can help high net worth individuals minimize their tax liabilities. By deducting the interest expenses, they effectively reduce their taxable income, and this allows them to retain more of their earnings and reinvest them back into their wealth building strategies. Reason number three, opportunity cost. Lastly, rich people often factor in the concept of opportunity cost when deciding to utilize debt. By leveraging borrowed funds, they can allocate their own capital towards higher yielding investments or more lucrative opportunities. This way, they can make the most of their financial resources and optimize their wealth creation. When affluent individuals have access to low-cost debt options, it becomes an attractive alternative to utilizing their own funds. By keeping their capital liquid, they can seize time-sensitive investment opportunities or respond to market fluctuations swiftly. It's all about maximizing their potential returns by considering the opportunity cost of tying up their own money.